Hello friends, Sophia here. Guess where I am? I'm in London, Piccadilly. You know why I'm here? I'm here because the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro launched today. Let me show you. Here is the DJI store. Let's check it out. So this is the update. Unfortunately, they ran out of stock for the vlog combo, but we're getting the standard.
Hi, are you ready to pay? Come with us.
We're getting the standard combo. I'm so excited.
Let me get you your new camera.
We're gonna get it.
Lovely. So here is your project Pocket 4P and standard combo.
Yeah. The packaging looks so nice too. It's so cool. I can't wait to unbox it. Stay tuned for the whole unboxing video.